What's up, y'all? Okay, so I'm actually going through this really cool like element experiment right now. How can I show y'all? One second. So like, I was studying spiritual geometry, and I decided that's fire, that's air, that's water, that's earth. I got a little altar going for it right now, whatever. And I decided after I read like one little book and after I decided to draw it and paint the symbols after sketching them in my shadow book, and I drew them or whatever. Then I also decided, if you look, it's right here. Yes, there it is. You see that piece of paper right there? Okay, so I decided to draw the symbol on the piece of paper and put it in the corners of my room. So right now I'm on fire, but the first one I started was water. And not the first thing I noticed, but it felt like I had put waterfalls in my room. But no, seriously though, it felt like water was coming out of the water sign. I started doing more creative stuff. That's when I made that video for Marissa. I'll post that one day. I gotta finish editing it. I moved over to fire in the middle of editing it because I felt like doing something different, but that's when I finished the video for Marissa. That's when I was really like expressing myself a little bit more. And it was, I think like if you're trying to get more creativity in, I will put the, wow, I should know this by heart. That's so horrible. Like, I should know cube, tetrahedron, or you know what I mean? I should know the word. I'll do another video on that with all the like pieces together. But go ahead and figure out what the spiritual geometric symbol is for water. Put it on a piece of paper and tape it to the corners of the room if you want more creativity. What I'm noticing with fire is that so I had, long story short, I had basically did all the like my pieces of paper in one setting. Like I drew everything out and then I just put them on my altar, and then I went ahead and pasted the water ones. So I did 4 of each, but I couldn't find the 4th one for fire. And so I went ahead and like there's one here, here, here. It makes a triangle, and it feels like, to me, maybe because I'm more of a visual person, I don't know, but to me it feels like a triangle of fire in the room. I can just feel it. I can see it. It's crazy. It's crazy cool though. And then right now what I'm thinking is that this little altar, because I just made this little element altar today, it only has fire and wind display, like the candle and the incense, but then I have all the spiritual geometric symbols for air, fire, earth, water. And I'm hoping it balances it out a little more, because this fire energy really has made me cut, like, it just burns some stuff out. Like, you know, when you have a cold and you're trying to burn out the sickness, it's kind of like that. So if you're trying to do something like that right now, that's what it's doing for me. So I'm just pulling out what my subconscious mind does when I feel that a certain element is heavily represented in my life, which is really, really cool. I think it's helping me understand the astrological signs more, and I think it's helping me understand definitely more about elemental magic and stuff like that. If you're trying to do magic with these elements, then it would probably be a good idea to spend a week or so or whatever. You know, this is like a lifetime's worth of studying. So however much time you want to spend on each element, and then of course, I guess it's just a good way to build a relationship with the element, like taking the element out on a date for a week or something like that. Because at the end of the day, you're going to always be using these elements in your work. So because you're going to always be using these elements in your work, you want to try and build a relationship with them. Like, even though And that's why I feel so like it's bad I don't know their name. You know what I mean? But it's always good to know someone's vibe. Um, I think knowing someone's vibe is more important than knowing their name. So same thing with like elements, trees, water, um, all that. Because the elements are going to connect to so much. What? That's going to be really, really cool. So yeah. I'm definitely enjoying this experiment though. It's just like super easy. I think also what I'm gonna try is to see you could put the element like I'm gonna put the sign for fire and put it in my wallet and see what happens. Maybe put it in my I don't know if I want to put it in my car. I don't know about that. Maybe the earth energy in my car. That's kind of bold. Maybe I should try that though. But yeah, you try it in different ways and on different things, like maybe on my door, maybe in the kitchen, maybe, what would happen if it was in the bathroom, if fire was always represented in the bathroom. But I know I got to think even larger than that. Like, what if you put it on a gift, like somewhere in the corner of a gift for somebody or something like that? So I'm just brainstorming. If y'all have any ideas, you can definitely put it in the comment section too. Like, um, just different ways of how we would want this energy to show up in our lives, or how we could get to know this energy, and how we could use this energy signature, this specific frequency, this specific texture, how we would want to manipulate it and use it for our benefit. Yeah. And we can't really understand how to do that until we understand its effect on our subconscious mind. So yeah, wow. Really, really cool. This is why I love this stuff. This is why I did that rose. I'll do another rose quartz video. This is why I did that rose quartz video. But yeah, all right. Y'all have a good one.